Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Thursday, January 21st. We saw a chilly low this morning of 24 degrees, and we are currently seeing mostly cloudy skies out there, with mostly cloudy skies expected to continue into the early to mid-afternoon hours, and then we'll see things clear out pretty quickly, leading to a mostly clear night tonight. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, we do have some a weak disturbance moving across the southeast. It is going to clip perhaps the tidewater down here and maybe even the extreme southern portions of the Delmarva with some sprinkles. But otherwise, for our area, just going to be seeing some cloudy to mostly cloudy skies throughout the day today. And then once this weak disturbance moves east of the area this evening, we are going to see clouds really clear out of the area, and then seeing mostly clear skies tonight, which then we'll see some westerly winds increase as we go into tomorrow. So not going to be expecting too cold of a low tomorrow morning, despite those clear skies that we are expecting. Let's take a look at our satellite loop across the area this morning. There you see this pretty broad area of cloudiness in the mid-levels, around 8,000 to 10,000 feet or so, and you can already see it starting to clear across northern Maryland and the northern half of the Delmarva. So this area of clearing with this drier air will slowly migrate towards our area as we go into the afternoon, and then we'll see these clouds could be completely cleared out of the area tonight. Taking a look at our upper level winds this morning, we did have some very light southerly winds at 7 a.m. this morning when this sounding was taken. And just above the surface, though, we are seeing those winds more westerly pretty much across the entire column, from above the surface up to 25,000 feet. Seeing them about 21 knots at 3,000 feet, and then increasing fairly steadily up to about 65 knots at the 12,000 foot level, and then remaining between about 65 to 70 knots through 20,000 feet before maxing out just under 80 knots at the 25,000 foot level. Seeing that freezing level at the surface this morning with that very chilly low in the mid-20s. Taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be expecting a high of 50 degrees, so several degrees above average for our high this time of year, thanks to that southwesterly flow that we're going to be seeing today. We are going to be seeing those mostly cloudy skies continue, like I said, throughout the morning hours and perhaps into the early afternoon, but we will be seeing southwesterly winds increase from 10 to 15 knots and slightly gusty late this morning into the early afternoon hours, then weakening a bit towards sunset, becoming 6 to 11 knots after sunset this evening, and then shifting westerly at 6 to 11 knots from about midnight through the mid-morning hours of tomorrow. And thanks to those westerly winds staying a little bit up, we are going to be seeing a fairly mild high tonight down into the mid-30s. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, currently seeing a few clouds at 8,500 feet, broken at 10,000. Could be seeing overcast at times for the next couple of hours. We will be seeing those clouds lower just a little bit, becoming around 6,000 feet by the early afternoon. But as we get to the mid-afternoon hours, we're going to see those clouds quickly move out of the area. Just a few clouds at 4,000 feet expected by 4 p.m. and then this clear skies expected after midnight, or after sunset rather, and then seeing just a few cirrus clouds possibly during the overnight hours. By sunrise tomorrow, going to be seeing a few clouds at 4,000 feet and a few cirrus clouds at 25,000 feet. We are seeing tides normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning. Let's take a look at our long-term weather model to show you what our pattern is going to be looking like over the course of the next week here. This is going into this afternoon. You can see that weak disturbance moving across the southeast and kind of weakening as it moves offshore, and then we'll be seeing that drier air move in behind it, giving us those clear skies tonight. Westerly winds will help to prevent that low from getting too low. Tomorrow we're going to continue to see some westerly winds across the area. That'll help bump our temperatures up perhaps into the low 50s, around 50, 52 degrees or so. So it should be a very pleasant Friday. Maybe a little breezy out there. We are expecting some wind gusts to around 25 knots, perhaps a little bit higher. But otherwise going to be very pleasant under partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies with that high in the low 50s. Moving into our weekend, we are going to be seeing this a very cold high pressure start to approach the area as we go into Saturday, and that's going to help to really drop our temperatures for the weekend. Only expecting temperatures to get around 40 degrees, perhaps not even that high as we go into our Saturday and Sunday. And then still remaining dry, though, under partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies as we go throughout the entire weekend. Just really just some chilly temperatures. Wind shouldn't be too much of a concern either. As we go into the beginning of next week, we're going to finally start to see the weather get a little more interesting across the area. We're going to be monitoring that cold air that's going to be in place, like I mentioned, for this weekend, and seeing how much of an extent that cold air is able to remain in place as we start a week next week, while monitoring the system that's going to be coming out of the southern plains and slowly approaching our area. We're going to be seeing this warm front here start to approach the area on Monday. First half of Monday should be dry across the region. Maybe we are going to be seeing increasing clouds. Does look like maybe see a little bit of sunshine in the morning, but definitely overcast by about lunchtime Monday. And then depending on how much cold air is managed to stick around the region, we could be seeing this event start off with a little bit of a wintry mix, particularly across central portion of the Delmarva and across the northern half as well. Might not have a chance to really see any wintry mix here at Wallops, but it's still a lot of uncertainty in this forecast. As we go into Monday, you can see that wintry mix developing on this model, showing some chance of some perhaps a little bit of freezing rain and sleet. Really a true wintry mix, and really anything is possible right now from this model's perspective anyways, especially, like I said, across the northern half of the Delmarva. And then as we go into Monday night, going to be seeing more of a rain across the region. Does look like temperatures are going to rise. It's going to be showers throughout Monday night. And then as we go into Tuesday, there is a chance some models on the ensembles are still indicating that we could be seeing that cold air be pulled back behind this low and then a wraparound moisture, giving us a better chance of perhaps a wintry mix or a snow shower or two. But like I said, lots of uncertainty still. Should have a better idea, though, by tomorrow to give you a little bit of better idea of how this system will be evolving before we head into the weekend. Going to be continuing the chance of some scattered showers throughout Tuesday, and like I said, maybe a snow flurry or two, depending on exactly how this pattern will set up. And then Wednesday does look dry. It is going to be chilly out there with high pressure briefly returning across the northeast, and then possibly an additional system moving into Thursday that might give us a little bit better chance of some snow showers. Still a lot of uncertainty for this potential Thursday system, so really no point in discussing it in too much detail at this time. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, mostly cloudy today with a high of 50. Tomorrow's going to be partly cloudy, slightly breezy out there with a high of 52. Saturday and Sunday are going to be chilly, partly cloudy skies with highs in the upper 30s to near 40 degrees for both days. Very chilly morning expected on Sunday morning with light winds and clear skies with that cold air mass in place. Expect the low here at Wallops getting close to 20 degrees, and we'll likely see low temperatures in the upper teens across our more interior portions of the Delmarva. Then we see Monday that system will be approaching the area dry for the first half, and then seeing perhaps a chance of a wintry mix to start off by Monday late afternoon. And then Monday night it's going to be some scattered showers here at Wallops. And then Tuesday, still looking like a chance of scattered showers, perhaps a chance of some wintry mix as well. We'll have to keep an eye on that, but right now for Wallops, looks like it's just going to be a chance of rain, maybe a better chance of the wintry mix the further north we go. And then Wednesday is going to be chilly, high of 42, under mostly cloudy skies. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.